Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today we are going to check out 7 flawless haircut options. Here we have this beautiful pixie haircut. Absolutely gorgeous texture that the stylist created. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see a beautiful tassel lob haircut, gorgeous texture that the stylist added. And then we have another hair transformation. So she is going to be going from long hair to a beautiful pixie haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely a classic pixie haircut. Lots of volume at the top. Beautiful texture throughout. And if you are dreaming of getting the pixie haircut, you may be wondering, how can I style this? So this is someone who is going to be showing us how she styles her beautiful pixie cut. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the versatility within the pixie cut, and she can wear this look straight or curly. Next up, we have someone who's deciding to cut their hair. And she has decided to go with this beautiful pixie cut. Now she does have an undercut with this particular style, and she has a lot of texture at the top portion of the hair that she can really play around with when it comes to actually styling the look at home. So next up we have another pixie haircut. beautiful classic pixie that the stylist created for this particular cut. And then we have a big chop transformation. Wow. So she is also going to be getting a beautiful pixie cut. Gorgeous. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.